This walk is so therapeutic. Very relaxing. So when you're tired, it's better to go for a walk than to sleep. Somebody will go in and sleep or doze off. Or I think the best way to, when you are tired, is to go for a walk. In Swahili they say dawa ya moto ni moto. And you'll enjoy seamless, amazing nature. Look, there's a farm right there. See birds. Yeah. This side of Melbourne, they still got a lot of farm. Very big, you'll see in a minute. Look at the sky, guys. A little bit of clouds, but there's some clear paths right there. Best time to walk around when the sun is not too hot. There's still winter time, but in Melbourne we get 4 seasons in a day. Very interesting. At some point of the day it gets very hot, at some point very cold, and at some point some rain. And now look, it's cold. The temperature is not too bad. Just perfect temperature for walking. So you take a walk and you enjoy. Look, the farm right there. So big. And there's a lot of construction too in this area. Apparently everybody seems to be moving to these sides of southeastern suburbs, simply because there's still plenty of land. There is more of opportunity in terms of cheaper property compared to other parts of this territory. And also more it's because many people, you find it more easy to get a rental house compared to other parts, because to get a rental house has been a big challenge, I think, after COVID. Yeah, but now that is even easing. Things are getting much better. Yeah. Before you will struggle, it take a long time to get a house. Now it may not take that long. Look at that. Sprinkler irrigation going on right there. some of the things you enjoy when you go for a walk. Look at this walk path, guys. It's so brilliant. It's cute on its own. It gives you the morale even to go for a walk, because you know I'll step on a footpath even if it rains. You can't fear anything. But in some regions, some parts in my country, as soon as you see rain miles away, you start packing up, running, seeking for shelter. But yeah, look at this. And there's a designated path for you walking that way. You follow one section. If someone is coming from the other side, will come from the other side section. I'll stop for a minute to show you this. This is mechanized farming. No human beings. Weeding, harvesting, planting, right from soil preparation, planting, weeding, irrigation, and harvesting. Everything this is mechanized. It's done by a machine. So it's operated by a machine, or you may find only one individual doing all this. Tractors and everything. That simplifies on work. So one advantage for that is maximize on production. One big disadvantage, no jobs. The entire system is operated by an individual. So not good for finding or for employing people, or it denies individuals to get work. But then it maximizes on production. It's mass of production. It's a large scale. It's a large scale farming. It saves on cost as well. Yeah, so it got this. There are advantages of mechanized farming and disadvantages as well. So, but that's life, guys. In a society like this, where people rely on groceries from the stores and everything, there may be that need to mass produce within a short time. Unlike back at home in our villages where we have our own vegetable gardens and everything. Here things are different. You rely on that farm to get some vegetable for you in the garden, in the shelves, in the stores, grocery stores. Yeah, so let's keep walking for see what's happening. So we enjoy, you see. Coming right there. That's brand new. They started not long ago. Here construction takes a very short time sometimes. But sometimes it takes a long time, so it depends. So many things, maybe the contractor, and so the availability of materials and many other factors. But but if they got everything they need for that work to be done, it takes very short time, super quick. Yeah. All right, hope you enjoy the walk as well. It's a big house. They call them townhouses. So they have houses, this nature, and then they have townhouses where you got so many units in one place. I think back home they call them bed sitters. So that's a kind of a bed sitter there. But here, if you go inside, it's not the bed sitter of our understanding. It's a completely different setting. You have everything you need inside there. Could be 4-bedroom or 3-bedroom or 2-bedrooms as a bed sitter. Fully furnished apartments, I will say. I think that's the right one. Fully furnished apartments, just like that one. So I want to show you how to cross the road here. Here everything is in order. So if you want to cross here, you just press this. It will show you the red light there and the pedestrian sign right there. Motorcycle, pedestrian. So if we wait until it turns green, that is when we'll cross it. We'll have the right of way. All right, it's our turn. It turns green. Just cross safely. Very nice. I wish our leaders could implement such system. I don't think it's very expensive. It's a matter of planning and being accountable. Once the resources are allocated for that plan to be done, it's just a matter of management. You manage the resources, be accountable, and you do work for the people. Yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. I want to end this video right here, and then we'll catch up soon. Thank you very much, and thanks for subscribing to my channel. Get in touch. I will show you more in the upcoming videos. God bless.